Well, if you don't already know, my kids don't do well with surprises, and I am taking them somewhere as a surprise. I never said it was fun. Maybe we're going to clean out the van.
No!
All right, we are here. What are we gonna do? All right, we are here. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna hike.
We're going on a hike. I found a trail when I was looking online for stuff to do, and I thought the kids would really love it. It's not real sunny, it's not super duper hot, so we are gonna go on an exploration. This bridge is super cool. You guys like it?
Yeah.
What's the matter, dude? Oh, he wants Big Sissy to carry him.
This guy's heavy.
What did we find, guys?
We found a pond.
Found a little pond. Lily said she just saw a frog, but he's
Right
gone
there,
now.
right there. It's
Oh.
purple. Can't really see.
Oh, it's a tadpole? Yeah, that'll be hard to see. Archer, you see any bugs in there?
No.
See any animals in there?
Come on. There's a big black one right there. He's going fast.
What'd you guys find?
Mushroom coming out of a tree.
Yeah. What kind of mushroom is it? I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, weird. Look how far. What? We are not nature buffs, so we're gonna need you guys to comment down below and tell us what this is.
Okay guys, so over by that tree I found a painted rock. Let us know down below what do you think it stands for.
It's OITNB. OITNB.
And on the back it has tally marks or something. It looks like it has 6 tally marks.
What's the matter, dude? You guys tired of walking? Hey guys, where are we? McDonald's! Man, we were hungry after that walk, huh? Are you sleepy?
No.
Are you sure? I think you might be sleepy. What are you two doing?
Watching Coco.
Lily already made her way to her friend's house. She's down at Bella's house playing for a little while, so we're just gonna have some downtime and hang out this afternoon before we go take care of the puppy dogs later again today. For now, just gonna chill out, rest, let our lunch settle. Well, the girls ended up having sleepovers with their friends, so Lily is with her friend and Maddie is with her friend, staying with friends on both ends of our house right now. And so it's just me and my friends from the office. That's right, that's the show I watch whenever I have a little bit of time without an audience behind me, without the kids around. So it's just me and Archer, and he can't really hang. He's already asleep. So I'm gonna close this out for tonight. I'm gonna say goodnight. Before I go, you know the routine. If you haven't already subscribed, please do it now. You can follow our vlogs, hit the notification bell right down below, and you can get notifications every time we post a video like this one. Leave a comment down below, tell us if you like this video and what other kind of stuff you like to see from us in future videos. And make sure that you're giving it a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it so other people can enjoy our family fun and you can spread the military family love with other families who may need to connect with us. For now, it's good night. We'll see you guys tomorrow.